Today we learn how you can make your own QR code with the help of Python. Let's begin. First of all, you need to open up a directory where you can actually save the QR codes and the main file. So now we're going to launch VS Code, that is my ID, in this directory. So we can launch CMD from here and just say code dot. It's going to launch VS Code in this respective directory. So as you can see, the directory of VS Code has been opened. Now we are going to create a main file. Alright, you're going to say main.py. First of all, you need a module called the QR code module, which you can install with the command line code as shown and also in the description. Guys, so once you have imported the QR code module, now you need to give it some data. You want to have the QR code. So you can give it any text which will be showed on the web element. You can just give it any random text. You can give a website link or anything like that. For the demonstration purposes, I'm going to give the link of my YouTube channel here. Alright, as 10, and we are going to give the border size as 5. Okay, this is just a standard size. You can just give any other size. You can increase the width, height, all of that stuff. Alright, now you're going to say that we have to actually add the data link, that you have to add the reference YouTube link into our QR code. So you're going to say qr.add data and you're going to supply the variable data. Alright, now we're going to actually design and generate the QR code. So you're going to say qr.make and we're going to say fit equals to true. Alright guys, so this is going to be the QR code. Now you have to actually save the QR code as an image. Before that, you have to actually make the QR code as an image. So we're going to say qr underscore img equals to, we're going to say qr, that is our QR code, dot make img. Alright, and then we're going to say fill color, let's say as an example purple, and we're going to say back color, that is going to be the empty color, is going to be white. Alright, so guys, now we have to actually save the QR code image. So we're going to say qr image dot save, and then we're going to give the name as qr code dot png. Alright, so now if we run the program, we can even run it from here or using the command line interface from the directory. Alright, so as you can see, once the program is run, you can see a QR code.png file comes over here. Alright, as you can see, I've opened up the QR code image. Now if I scan it with my mobile phone, it's going to open up my YouTube channel because I've provided the link of my channel in YouTube. Alright, so guys, in that way you can generate your own custom QR codes by providing custom data, custom binary data, custom download data, or you can even give it YouTube channel links or any other general links as such. Alright, so guys,